Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, welcome to my video. And in today's video, I would like to share you how to insert the tag exactly inside the image. Here, I have an image, and I will try to show you how to insert this tag into the image. Okay, and you can click the image exactly on the image, and then just go up to the tool insert, and then you can go to the text box here. You can choose any text box that you like, and personally I will choose this one. Okay, now you can start to type your text here, and for me, I will just copy this text. Okay, I copy this text, and then I paste exactly inside of the text box. Right click, paste. Okay, now you can see that the text is already inside of the text box, and the text box appears up on the image. And what I'm going to do next is to modify the text. Okay, I can block the text, and I can change my font by choosing home, and then here is the tool that we can use to change the font. I will choose, you can choose any font here, any font that suitable to the image that you have. Okay, I choose copper black. This is only the examples, and here you can choose also the size of the text that you want, and I will choose 20, and then here also I can choose my font color. I will choose red, and then here I can center my text by choosing this in the paragraph, and then yep, it's almost finished. Then what I can do again is to disappear the text box. Okay, to make my text exactly inserted into the image, just click on the text box, and then go to the format, and then choose shape fields, click on no fill. Okay, and now as you can see that the text box is still showing here, then you can try to disappear it by clicking the text box, and then go to the format and choose shape outline and click no outline. Okay, and then you can drag any position that you want. Okay, let's start to look at by print preview. Yeah, as you can see that now the tag is already inside of an image. Okay, thank you for watching, and just like, share, and comment to my video. That's all my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.